Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking through a quick video tour of our Ford S-Max Titanium X Sport. So this is our 2014 Ford S-Max Titanium X Sport. It's covered just over 93,000 miles from new. Has only had two former keepers, with the last owning it since 2015. Whilst in our care, we've done the cambelt and water pump, given it a service, fresh MOT, 4 brand new tyres and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in good condition for the age and mileage. Couple little bits on the paintwork, like tiny little marks and stone chips here and there. A little bit on the alloys, but again, this is a 2014 car that's covered over 93,000 miles. It does look stunning. Really is a good looking car. Inside, you've got the half suede leather seats with the red stitching, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, steering wheel controls. It's all very nicely equipped and in really nice condition in here. You've also got that lovely big panoramic roof at the top there. Does make the cabin nice and bright. Got privacy glass in the back. Loads of legroom here. These seats do slide back and forth as well. And it's also got a lovely big practical boot with 2 additional seats that pop up from the rear just here. Overall, a really nice car. Drives very nicely. It's a 2-litre diesel, 6-speed manual. Really nice looking car. I think these Titanium X Sport S-Maxes are definitely one of the best looking family 7-seaters out there. Really does look good, especially with the privacy glass and the sport package. It really does look good. All ready to go to its new owner. If you like these sort of motors, why not check out the rest of our stock on our website? Link will be down below. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.